welcome back to Sounds of the Valley. I'm your host, Nathan Blaser, and with me tonight I have my partner in crime.
I'm Evan Klamar. I'll be taking over Sons of the Valley hosting duties in the fall. And tonight we have a guest artist who we're very excited to share with you, Eau Claire musician Andie Wyne, who's going to share with us some songs that we hope you'll enjoy.
Yep. Andie, thank you so much for coming on. We're really happy that you could be here for our last episode of the season of Sounds of the Valley. So we look forward to hearing your stuff.
Happy to be here. Well, I guess let's get started then. I'm gonna start out with it's like one of my more recent ones. Yeah, it's called. I always say this, but I always struggle to name my songs. But this one is called. It's just called Andie. I felt like what a way to start it out. So. Has been 1 week since this hole is deepening still. Voices are echoing in my head, miss making plans like we used to, like we used to. You spoke those words to my heart, their meaning soaking in still. You said, fall in love with yourself, Andie. Let her feel that love, sweet like candy, sweet like candy. What do you want from this life, Andie? What do you want with my love, Andie? How do you cope with that shit, Andie? And how do you want to feel my love? What do you want from this life, Andie? What do you want with my love, Andie? How do you cope with that shit, Andie? And how do you want to feel my love? How do you want to feel my love? And how do you want to feel my my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. So that's Andie. Thanks, guys. Broke the ice. Feels good to break the ice. I'm glad. Okay, next one. The next one I'm gonna do a cover. It's she's like my favorite. That's Adrienne Lenker from Big Thief. She does some of her own stuff too. Fantastic. Seriously, I cannot recommend her more. She's so fantastic. Yeah, and I feel like I've always kind of connected with her pieces on like a deeper level than just like, oh, I'm listening to a song. So this is her piece, Masterpiece. Years, days, makes no difference to me, babe. Look exactly the same to me. Ain't no time crossing your legs inside the diner, pulling the coffee to your lips, the steam. You saw the masterpiece. She looks a lot like you, wrapping her left arm around your right, ready to walk you through the night. You whisper to a restless ear, can you get me out of here? This place smells like piss and beer. Can you get me out? You were asking me how to get you free. I only know the recipe to roam. You saw the masterpiece. She looks a lot like you, wrapping her left arm around your right, ready to walk you through the night. Old stars filling up my throat, gave them to me when I was born, and now they're coming out. Lying there on a hospital bed, your eyes are narrow, blue and dread. Took a draw of breath and said to me, I saw the masterpiece. She looks a lot like me, wrapping your left arm around your right, ready to walk you through the night, through the night, through the night. Old friends, old mothers, dogs and brothers, only so much letting go you can ask someone to do. So I'll keep you by my side, I will not give you to the tide, I'll even walk you in my stride, Marie. I saw the masterpiece. She looks a lot like you, wrapping your left arm around your right, ready to walk you through the night, through the night, through the night. Ooh, that was fun. Thanks, guys. Okay, next one. I gotta.
Oops.
Should be good. Whew. Okay, next one. I'm gonna take a sip here. Just a second. Next one here is it's another original. This one's called The Beach. When you have lived your day and the words bleed into sight, when you forget my name as I help you into bed, will you remember all of the times that made it all worthwhile? Will you remember the sound of my voice drifting you into slumber? When you board that train and you head straight for the shore, when you forget my face as I help you into the sand, will you remember all of the times that made it all worthwhile? The pain and the grief and the healing and the gentle lullabies I hope you do. Could I hold your hand for a moment? Could I hold your hand forever? Can we stay like this forever? Maybe we won't, maybe we won't get this